Hello everyone, in this video let's discuss how to solve the first in first out page replacement technique problem. So here first let's understand what is first in first out. So here let me consider a pipe, so which is having inlet side and outlet side. So now I am taking three balls A, B, C. So if I send first A ball, next I will send B, next I will send C through this inlet wall, and then which will come out first? A will come out first. After A, B will come. Next after B, next C will come. That is, who will be sent in first, they will be exited first. That is, they will be taken out first. So this is the concept which we will be using to solve this problem. Now I am creating one frame. So this is one frame and the size of this frame is of 3 bits. So here you can see 1, 2, 3. So we are having 3 bit size. So now let's fill one by one. Here my all 3 bits are empty at the starting. So I can directly insert 1 here. Next 1 is already inserted in my frame and still I am having 2 bits empty. So I can directly fill 0 here. Next 1 and 0 already filled. So now I want to insert 7. Since there is one space left here, so I can insert 7 here directly. So now I want to insert 1. First I will check it in the frame. So the updated frame. Here you can see 1 is there, 0 is there, 7 is there in my updated frame. So no need to insert it again. If the item is already in the updated frame, no need to insert it. So 1 is already in my updated frame, so no need to insert it. So let's skip that part. Next, I will be moving to 0. So if I want to insert 0, first I will check the updated frame. So here you can see 1, 0 and 7. So 0 is also in my updated frame, so no need to insert it again. Now I want to insert 2. Whether 2 is in my updated frame? No, 2 is not in my updated frame. So I will be applying this replacement technique. Which replacement technique we are using? First in, first out. So among 1, 0 and 7, who came first, they will be replaced with 2. So now you can see 1 started from this step, 0 started from this step and 7 at this step. So 1 came earlier, that is 1 is the first one to come. So we will be replacing 2 in place of 1. So now you can see here I will be replacing 2 in place of 1, 0 and 7 will be as it is from the previous step. Now this is my updated frame. Okay. So now let's insert 1. Whether there is any space to insert 1? No, because 2, 0 and 7 are already in my frame. So what I will be doing? I will be checking who came first among 2, 0 and 7. So 2 started in this step itself, 0 started in this step and 7 started in this step. So you can see 0 is the first one to come. So we will be replacing 1 in place of 0. 2 and 7 will remain as it is from the previous step. Now I want to insert 2. 2 is already in my updated frame. So I will not insert it again. Next I want to insert 3. Whether 3 is in my updated frame? No. So I will be checking who came first among 2, 1 and 7. So 2 came at this step, 1 came at this step and 7 came at this step. They must be in the continuous order. So you can see 2, 1 and 7. Who came first? 7 was the first one to come. So we will be replacing 3 in place of 7. 1 and 2 will remain as it is from the previous step. So now let's move to the next one. I want to insert 0. Whether 0 is in my updated frame? No. 2, 1 and 3 are there. So I will be searching who came first among 2, 1 and 3. So 2 started in this step, 1 started in this step and 3 started in this step. So among 2, 1 and 3, who came first? 2 was the first one to come. So we will be replacing 0 in place of 2. 1 and 3 will remain as it is from the previous step. Next I want to insert 3. 3 is already in my updated frame. So you can see here. So no need to insert it again. Next I want to insert 2. Whether 2 is in my updated frame? No. So I will be searching who came first among 0, 1 and 3. 0 started at this step, 1 started at this step and 3 at this step. So 0, 1 and 3. Who came first? 1 was the first one to come. So we will be replacing 2 in place of 1. 0 and 3 will remain as it is from the previous step. Next let's move to the 4. So if I want to insert 4, whether it is in my updated frame? No. So I must replace among 0, 2 or 3. Who came first among 0, 2 or 3? 0 started at this step, 2 started at this step and 3 at this step. So 0, 2 and 3. Who came first? 3 was the first one to come. So we will be replacing 4 in place of 3. 2 and 0 will remain as it is from the previous step. Next I want to insert 0, but 0 is already in my updated frame, so no need to insert it again. Next I want to insert 3. 3 is not in my updated frame. So what I will be doing? I will be searching who came first among 0, 2 and 4. So 0 came at this step, 2 came at this step and 4 at this step. So 0 was the first one to come among the elements in the frame. So I will be replacing 3 in place of 0. 2 and 4 will remain as it is from the previous step. Next I want to insert 6. Whether 6 is in my updated frame? No, it is not there. So I will be searching who came first among 3, 2 and 4. So 3 started at this step, 2 came at here and 4 came at this step. So 3, 2, 4. Who was the first one to come? 2 was the first one to come. So we will be replacing 6 in place of 2. 3 and 4 will remain as it is from the previous step. At last, we want to specify what is the number of page fault and what is the number of page hits. So page fault refers to the total number of steps in which we inserted the values or we replaced the values. So here you can see in first 3 steps we inserted the values. In later part we just replaced the values. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So total page fault is equal to 11. So now what is page hits? So page hits refers to the steps which we skipped because one was already in my updated frame, so no need to update it again, so I skipped this one. So like that, how many steps we skipped? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total page fault is equal to 5. So total it will be equal to 16. So this completes the problem related to the first in first out and other page replacement technique, algorithm problems and all the operating system important concept are given in the playlist, and the playlist link I will give it in the description. You can see it there. Hope the video was helpful for you. If you liked the video, please subscribe and support us. Thank you.